Awaken to the brilliance of a new day, filled with the promise of great things. Imagine, if you will, a simple phrase that can transform the start of the day for your little ones. As the sun peeks over the horizon, whisper softly, "You're going to do great things today." This isn't just a set of words. It's a powerful mantra, a beacon of positivity that instills confidence in the heart of a child. With these words, you're not just predicting their day, you're shaping it. You're laying the foundation for a day filled with achievement, self-belief, and resilience. So tomorrow, as dawn breaks, remember this. You're going to do great things today. It's more than a phrase, it's a promise, a challenge, an expectation. And watch as their confidence soars high, ready to conquer the day. Embrace this daily ritual and witness the magic unfold. Rise and shine, and let greatness take flight. As the morning mantra settles in their hearts, and they set out to take on the world, remember you're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community of parents just like you, striving each day to boost their kiddos' confidence. So why not join us? Subscribe to Parenting Genie TV on YouTube. Be a part of a community that believes in the power of positive affirmations. Get access to countless more morning mantras, tips on child development, and tools to unlock your child's potential. Also, don't forget to visit our website at parentinggenie.com.au. So, go on, click that subscribe button, visit our site, and join the Parenting Genie community. Because together, we can create a world where every child wakes up to the promise of greatness.